with your wisdom and goodness, has appointed the office of leaders and county assemblies for the welfare of society.
Members of the public, what she is able to get from the governor, more than what she has in her own budget.
Honorable members, I am therefore persuaded that the attached list is duly prepared and the signatures contained therein exceed the provided one-third threshold. Consequently, I therefore direct the mover of the motion, the Honorable Kericho to take the floor and move the motion.
Honorable Speaker, I make, with the support of the members of the County Assembly of Kericho, that is the County Assembly, whose names, signatures I have annexed here too as Annexure 1, to move the motion for impeachment of His Excellency Honorable Eric Mutai, the Governor of Kericho County.
Watu wa mita watoke hapa.